Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Daniels, aka Miss Ginger Devine, and I am one of your readers for this summer's Drag Story Hour. Now, I'm a professional storyteller, and I'm excited to be here today to share with you the strategies and tools that I use in my own storytelling that you can use to enliven and invigorate your story time. Now, I want you to picture it. It's that time when our intrepid young reader is deciding which story you are going to read to them for bedtime. It's a very difficult decision. There's so many incredible books to choose from. They're hesitating. They're going back and forth. They are uncertain. Their hand begins to slow down over the feared Dr. Seuss book. That Dr. Seuss book that you have read so many times this week alone. And it's the long one. In fact, it's the very long Dr. Seuss book. And you are sending psychic messages to your child going, please don't do that. Please don't do that to me. Please choose anything else, any other story. But oh no. They, in fact, choose green eggs and ham as the story for this evening. Now, I get it. After you've read Dr. Seuss, I don't know, for the millionth time, you get a little annoyed, maybe a little frustrated. And you are fed up with reading the same story over and over and over again. I get it. I'm an actor. Imagine, okay, so when we do a show at a community theater, we are rehearsing one show 4 to 6 weeks, 5 nights a week for multiple hours. We are running the same scenes, the same show over and over and over again, only to open a show and then run it for 4 weeks, performing multiple evenings in that week. I get it. But one thing that has really helped me as a performer is to approach the subject material as if you are experiencing it for the first time. So that is my tip for you today. Find a way to read whatever story you're about to read. Doesn't matter how many times you've read it. Try to approach it with fresh eyes, as if you're reading it for the first time. If I was in a show, what I might do is make subtle choices, different choices. Nothing big, but maybe I change the way in which I deliver a line. Maybe I play around with where I'm looking or how I'm engaging my scene partner or something that is going to make the performance feel fresh and exciting. Something that may invite me to a deeper level of understanding of the text or the character or the story. Whatever it is, my invitation for you is it doesn't matter if you have read Green Eggs and Ham 50 times or this is your first time reading it. Find something to be excited about while you're reading it. Because if you're excited about what you're reading and excited to tell that story, then guess what? We as the audience, we're gonna be excited as well. And that's what we want, right? Is for people to be excited and captivated and engaged by stories and by storytelling. So, I hope you found that tip helpful for today. That's all that I have for you. If you don't have your library card, what are you doing? Stop the video right now, go down to your local branch of the Washoe County Library System and get your very own library card today. There's so many incredible benefits to having your own library card. Highly recommend it. It's so fast and it's so easy. I hope to see you this summer at Drag Story Hour. Happy reading, y'all.